how to track your Uber Eats driver. To track your Uber Eats driver, first of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device. And once you open it up, you may head over to the Orders tab in the screen. After that, select your current order and you may select the option of track, which is right here. So you may just go ahead and tap on the icon, orders, or some versions and select your current order and track to view the order status and see the delivery person's location on a map. Here should be finding it like this. So the map will show the driver's progress as they move towards your location. You can also see their name and photo. You can follow up this tab. We have 5 tabs available. Once it is completed, the driver will be headed towards your way. So when the driver is heading towards your way, you can even call the driver if you prefer and send a message just in case they get confused, or if you have any other questions, you can even tip them at the way. Similarly, we have different options like help for more assistance. If you have any kind of option, like if you have any problem, you can look out for more help option and head over to the help and just go ahead and follow up the process. So in this way, you can track your Uber Eats driver. If you can't see the courier on the map, it may indicate the restaurant is handling the delivery. In this case, you can contact the restaurant directly for updates. So that's it. You may follow up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.